I got this issue after migrating to a new computer. Computer is set up. The software I'm talking about that was not upgraded, so this is being upgraded to Sonoma, the operating system. But all my stuff are set up except I'm gonna click on iMovie. So I'm just gonna click on my default library. And this is what happened. So when I click OK, it will close. So I won't be able to show you the version. So let me do this again. Okay. Now I'm just gonna click new to create its own old version. Okay, there you go. And just saved so I can open. And the version of this iMovie is 10.3.6. I got the latest of 10.4. If I look at the application, the App Store, and look for the updates, it says no updates. All your apps are up to date. I'm gonna close this iMovie and I'm gonna copy from my backup. Open the backup and application and iMovie. Now I can select it. I'm gonna copy it. Control C. This is 4.05 GB and I'm gonna click the current one, which as iMovie is the old one. You saw that it's 10.3. So I'm gonna copy it. I can even, let's use this. Edit, paste item. So it says an older item named iMovie already exists. I'm gonna replace that. I saw a lot of complaints out there that when they upgraded to Sonoma, the Apple movie stopped working, iMovie. And I thought it's because of my Sonoma as well. But now you've seen that I'm still Ventura. And the error really is, it's the old version. So now we got 405. So I can even close this. And then let's just click on this iMovie again. So now let's see the iMovie version. It's now 10.4. That's the latest iMovie version. So now it opened the old version. Let me open the 10.4 version, which is this iMovie library. See, it opened it. I can close this. I want to delete this. Close. Let's see the keynote.